Hello, children. Action words tell us what someone or something does. These are called doing words or verbs. Let's listen to these sentences and learn how to use verbs like drives, moves, treat, gets up, looks, need, likes, and lies in the right way.
Samir drives a bus. The earth moves around the sun. The doctors treat patients. Pawan gets up at 6 a.m. The tree looks beautiful. Plants need water. The boy likes white. Nepal lies between India and China.